drama, we'll see. Okay, Riders to the Sea. It has a subtitle, a play in one act. A play in one act is the subtitle. Okay, it was premiered at the Molesworth Hall, Dublin. Usually they call it as Dublin, but we call it as Dublin, by the Irish National Theatre Society, and it was on February 25, 1904. Okay, so it was on February 25, 1904 in Molesworth Hall, Dublin, by the Irish National Theatre Society. We know that they were behind this establishment of Abbey Theatre. And then the subtitle is a play in one act. And this particular tragedy, this is a tragedy, a modern tragedy. Okay, so this is a one act tragedy set in the Aran Islands, and the dialect of the Aran Islands is used in this particular work, that is Hiberno English. Hiberno English is an Irish dialect. Okay, Irish dialect. So we know that people from different places have different types of dialects, and the people in Aran Island, they usually use this particular dialect, that is Hiberno English. Hiberno English, that is Irish English. It is also known as Irish English. Okay, now that is actually the background or the settings was due to the stay of Synge, that is he spent his summers from 1898 to 1909 in Aran Island, and based on that he got many inspirations for this particular play. That is, the inspiration was while on the Aran Island of Inishmaan. Inishmaan is the is one of the island. Okay, Aran Island. And then Synge heard the story of a man from Inishmaan whose body washed upon the shore of the island of Donegal. Donegal is a place in Northern Ireland. Okay, so and he collected all the stories, and among one is this particular story of a person, of a man who was washed off on the shores, washed upon the shores of the island of Donegal. And then he collected all these stories and included in the book the Aran Islands that I have already mentioned. Now the title inspiration, the story, basically the storyline, everything was inspired with this particular story or this particular incident of the man who was washed up. Okay, fine. Now the title was actually due to that a native's account, a person from that particular island. He said to, since that they usually see ghosts riding to the sea, those people who died in the sea, they they have a belief, that is, as I have already mentioned, paganism is prevalent in the society. So ghosts and that kind of things are basically related to this paganism, and then people believe in all these kind of things, ghosts and then other bad omens, etc. So here there was a kind of folklore, or there is a belief that, or many people claim that they saw ghosts riding to the sea. Okay, so that is a inspiration for the title Riders to the Sea. Now what are the themes? There are lots of themes like spirituality and mourning, that is the sadness, then fate and mortality, people, their helplessness and fate and mortality, and also we can say that the power of the sea is also a theme in this particular play. Okay, so basically spirituality and mourning, fate and mortality. Fate and mortality means that how helpless people are in the hands of fate, and then how this mortality, that means that people can die at any moment in their life, and all these kind of things are basically, this is a tragedy. So as you know that these are the basic themes of this particular play, Riders to the Sea. So these are the facts, basic facts related to the play Riders to the Sea, and it is a play in one act. I hope you understood. Now we can go to the